Hey there, tech enthusiasts! If you thought AI was already mind-blowing, get ready to have your expectations shattered. Today, I'm diving into ChatGPT-5, OpenAI's latest marvel. Trust me, you won't believe what it can do. First up, let's talk about its natural language understanding. ChatGPT-5 has taken conversational AI to a whole new level. It's almost like chatting with a real human. The responses are more coherent, context-aware, and nuanced. Imagine having a personal assistant that's truly you. Next, let's talk about creativity. You can ask ChatGPT-5 to brainstorm ideas, write poetry, or even generate music lyrics. It's like having a creative genius on standby. Want to whip up a quick story for your kid? ChatGPT-5 can do that too. The possibilities are endless. Now, here's something for all the coders out there. ChatGPT-5 can write and debug code with impressive accuracy. Stuck on a tricky function or need to optimize your code? Just ask ChatGPT-5. It's like having a coding buddy who never sleeps. But wait, there's more. ChatGPT-5 can also translate languages with remarkable precision. Whether you're traveling or working on a global project, this feature can be a game changer. It supports a wider range of languages and dialects than ever before. And here's the kicker: emotional intelligence. ChatGPT-5 can detect and respond to emotional cues in your text. Feeling down? It can offer comforting words. Excited about something? It'll share in your enthusiasm. It's like having a friend who's always there for you. So, why is everyone talking about ChatGPT-5? Because it's not just an AI, it's a revolution in how we interact with technology. It's smarter, more creative, and emotionally intelligent. Whether you're a tech geek, a creative soul, or just someone looking for a helpful companion, ChatGPT-5 has something for you. Alright, that's a wrap for today. If you're as excited about ChatGPT-5 as I am, hit that like button and subscribe for more tech updates. And hey, drop a comment below to let me know what feature you're most excited about. Until next time, stay curious.